Hello, my name is Jimmy Costello from the NX Product Marketing team. Today, we're going to be looking at the 3-bend corner tool to assist in closing corners where 3 adjacent blends meet with sheet metal. The sheet metal application in NX is a valuable tool for designing components that need to be fabricated or manufactured using sheet metal processes like bending, cutting, or stamping. For this part, we have 2 flanges that overlap, which isn't a realistic design for the manufacturing steps of our end product. To address this issue, we can open the 3-bend corner command from the corner group. When we do this, we are immediately prompted to select our adjacent bends. Once that is done, we automatically have a preview of the changes that will be made. For a more polished view, we can select Show Result, which will provide a preview of the final product. If we want to change the spacing between our 2 flanges, we can go to the gap section of the command window. Right now, we are looking at the Open Treatment option. This means the corner of our adjacent blends will not be changed. To make changes to the corner, we can open the Treatment drop-down box. Here, we will find 4 new options to choose from: Closed, Circular Cutout, U Cutout, and V Cutout. Let's dive into each option to explore the possibilities they offer. Starting with the closed treatment, our bends now extend until they meet at the corner. Using the miter radius controls the transition between these 2 bends. Continuing on, the last 3 treatment options dictate the shape of our corner. If we opt for the circular cutout, as the name suggests, we will now have a circular hole where the bends would meet. The origin dropdown in this command window determines the starting location for our cutout. Additionally, we can also choose a diameter and offset that is suitable for our needs. It's also important to recognize that for all these treatment options, we can still select a gap that makes sense for our manufacturing processes. The next treatment option we will look at is the U cutout. This window is extremely similar to the previous, though this time we have a slightly different cutout shape. And the last treatment option we can choose is the V cutout. Again, this is a very similar command window, with the key difference being that we can now choose the angle of our cutout in both sides. In conclusion, in this video, we've reviewed the 3-bend corner command and the value it provides for sheet metal corner treatment scenarios. We started off by looking at the open treatment option, focusing on gap distance and viewing our results. After that, we investigated closed treatments and the miter corner transitions. And finally, we wrapped up by looking at the circular, U, and V cutout options. I would like to thank you for your time and attention.